Hey guys, this is David from binaryoptionsdaily.com. So today we're going to be using the trading platform RBOptions, and we're going to be using the charting software, which is for free from tradingview.com. So just looking at the market, this is a cool little strategy that you can use at any time in pretty much any market condition. And what we're looking for is, if you notice, we've got this huge uptrend going, and this is the euro dollar on the 15 minute, but we've got this huge uptrend going. And finally, we've gotten a candle, this red candle right here, and if you notice, it has broken the low and closed below the low and the wick of the previous candle. So to me, that signals that there is a shift in momentum toward the downside. And with this, if you notice, right after this red candle, we've had two green candles, which means price has been going back up. And this third green candle, which is our current candle, which is still happening right now, which is going up as well. So if this third candle ends green, I'm going to be looking to take a put on this next candle, because I believe the next 15-minute candle will end red. So as you can see, this is what they also call an inside bar. If we go ahead and grab our horizontal line tool, and we'll mark the top of this red candle right there, and we'll also need to mark the bottom of it. If I can see that, there we go. So as you can see, these three candles after this big red bar are all inside of this big red bar, meaning it is an inside bar. So after we've seen these three candles close, and again, if this candle ends green, I'm going to be taking a put on this next bar, thinking that it's going to go red. So I'll go ahead and just let this video play out for a little bit. We've got about, let me see, got about a minute and a half left before I can actually take the trade. So I'm just going to go ahead and wait, and I'll leave the video running so you can definitely see that the time is still ticking down, and I will come back and show you when I'm taking this trade. Alright, so we have about 20 seconds left. I'm going to go ahead and get set up for this trade. Let's see. So we're going to do a put, 30-minute. I'm going to invest $150. If it lets me click it for some reason. There we go. Cancel. So we're doing $150. And I got in a little late, but that's okay. So we've got a quite a long time to go. So as you can see, it took it out of my balance. And if we look at the bottom down here, we can see that the current rate is going lower now, so we are actually in the money. And I did a $150 investment. And you can see it is going down a little bit on our charting screen. So we'll go ahead and just wait for this to expire, and I'll go ahead and speed up the video a little bit so you guys don't have to wait forever. Alright, so we have about a minute left and we are looking absolutely fantastic. So again, let's go through a little bit of why I took this trade again, just so you can understand a little more. So we had this huge uptrend, first of all. And at some point, price has to turn around. And what we're looking for with this is we had this red bar again, which dropped and closed below the closest green bar and its wick. So as you can see, it ended right here, and the wick of the last bar ended up here. So we did close below it. And what we saw was that we had two green bars, and then the current bar was going up green again, meaning price was going back up, and it still landed within this full length of the candle and its wicks. So this is what we call the inside bar. And since this has been going up so high, we basically are thinking that price is going to have to go back down at some point. And we had basically a perfect setup for this to happen, because it's at the highs again, and the likelihood of it continuing up for a fourth bar after this huge uptrend and after it closed below this previous candle is very low. So this is exactly why we took it. And as you can see, the balance just updated. If we go to the expired positions, we can see down there that we did indeed win.